Here's my 3D printer setup, which includes the Bamboo AMS system. I really love having the AMS. It allows me to easily pick and choose out of 4 different filaments, and even print with all 4 at the same time. But every once in a while it gets stuck, and today a piece of orange filament has become stuck inside the feeder. In order to fix this, we have to take the whole thing apart. And to start, I need to remove all the filaments from inside. Included in the packaging back when I purchased the AMS was this hex wrench. You're going to want to have this handy because you'll need it to remove the 2 screws holding the base inside. And I almost forgot, you'll need to unplug the cable behind it. And you are going to also need to remove the tube. In order to do this, you'll need to push down on the tab inside with 2 fingers. And while holding that down, you can then use your other hand to pull out the tube. Oh, also, I have printed these awesome desiccant bead holders. Anyway, I'll need to remove these in order to lift and get the base out. Alright now, we need to carefully lift out the base. However, watch out for that tab in the back while lifting it up. Also, there are some wires inside. They can be detached if needed. And as we can see from the orange color, we have filament stuck in this tube. And in order to get it out, we need to detach it from the assembly. So to do this, press down and hold the ring at the end and then pull the tube out with your other hand. We will carefully pull out the rest of the stuck filament from the assembly and the tube. Sometimes you might have a small piece stuck inside the assembly as well. You can get a fresh piece of filament and push it through from the other side while holding down the lever. This should allow you to push smaller pieces out. Alright, I'm going to reattach the tube to the assembly. And then gently lower the base back into the box. If you are not careful, the tab here might get caught and then come out. Don't worry, it's not broken. You can just click it back into place. So basically, you'll just do everything in reverse order from this point on to put it all back together again. Well, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more helpful videos.